You should check your advanced termite bait system stations every 3 months or quarterly for termite activity. To open the bait station, you'll need the Spider Station Access tool. Place the tool over the station cap and rotate counterclockwise until the 2 locking tabs clear the locking ring. Once unlocked, the station cap stays in the tool and can be lifted away. The cap can be replaced by locking it in place with the same tool. Make sure you wear gloves when handling the cartridges or station to minimize skin contact. A cotter pin puller tool with a curved tip makes it easy to pull the cartridge out, check for termite activity, and put it back in without having to touch it. If you notice termites or signs of termites in your stations, the termite inspection cartridge should be replaced with a Trelona bait cartridge. Trelona cartridges contain an active bait to help control termite colonies. The wood monitoring bases and termite inspection cartridges should be replaced every 12 months for the best results. Wood that is soggy or moldy should be replaced as soon as possible.